So I was going to give an update on the car, some of the work I've been doing. So, you know, you watch YouTube videos and you think you know what you're doing. This spring, if you pop these loose, it takes the shock up there loose, and then you go down here and you pop these two bolts, and you're like, oh shit, I can grab that and I can move it around, and that's not really under tension. Well, that is the incorrect answer. And the reason I know this, I got this one loose. When that last bolt came off, it damn near took my finger off when it came loose. And by damn near took my finger off, I'm not kidding. If I had been a 1/4 inch in farther with my hand, it probably would have taken the end of my finger off. Luckily, it just gouged the skin, and I say bad words, and now I'm going inside and I'm drinking some beers and contemplating the sins of life, as it were. But progress is being made. You can see most of the suspension is loose. I've got the Mustangs to Fear suspension showing up on Monday at the freight depot. One of the reasons I was getting this pulled loose. Inside's going well. I probably won't be able to see it very well. I got my vintage air systems just sitting there right now. It's all stubbed and ready to be put in. I just didn't want to do it while I was doing engine bay work and painting firewall and that kind of stuff. All that's up in there painted. I did a POR black with a POR top coat. So that all's done. So the next step, well, other than getting the suspension done, saying bad words, starting the wiring. Got the under dash wiring sitting here. It's the American Auto wire system. Ow, man, I can barely use my finger at this point. Ow, I say bad words. Modern day fuses. So that'll be nice. It's all modernized. But that's it for today. I'm going in and having a beer. Ouch.